Hello everybody, my name's Darren, welcome back to the Kilowatt Challenge, and in today's episode we're going to fix a spring in a broken Opus charger. But before all that, you're going to see some of this. You're going to see some of this, and I've just realised actually two springs have gone, look. 1, 2, oh! And you might even see a little bit of this. Nah. Ooh. But before all that, so some of you might have noticed this does not have a standard base on it. It has a 3D printed base. This is because I've installed a larger fan to try and help with the, well, frankly, very well discussed thermal problem that these have, in that they overheat. By printing out this 3D base and installing a bigger fan, they run a lot cooler, so the whole process is a lot faster. They don't thermal cut off so much. I don't think that has anything to do with what the problem is. I suspect we've snapped some springs, but anyway, let's get inside and let's take a look. Okay, let's crack it up and take a look. Okay. Right, what is that noise? Here we go. The grand reveal. What is it? Ooh. Well, that's interesting. Seems to be one spring and what looks like a post. There's something else. Something else behind the fan. Can you see that? See if I can. Oh, there we are. Right, well, that's interesting. Sorry about the extremely bad camera work, but you know, you're used to that on my channel, aren't you? Here's the springs, and it looks like there's a post. If we look at this one's okay, this one's okay, and there's, can you see there's a small hole in the PCB there? Is that all this is? Look at here. Here is, if I turn this over so you can see it, that's the actual holder for the cell. Look, that bit I'm on there, which I'm holding there. I think that goes into this end of the spring. Could it just be that the post just goes into that hole? No, they can't build it like that, can they? Well, look at this, they do. Ah, well, there you go, look. Maybe the spring isn't broken after all. That one's alright. Has it got the hook on the end? Yes, it has. The hook's alright. What about the other one? Where's the other one? Here it is. Is the hook alright on that one? Yes, it is. Right, there we go. Newsflash, ladies and gentlemen. The springs are in fact not broken. It's these posts just come out the board. So I guess all we need to do is put them, yeah, look, you can see the dab of glue on there, look. Can you see that white on there? A little bit of glue. I guess all we have to do is pop them back in there and then reconnect. Well, that's easy, isn't it? Come on then, let's get on with that. I'll go and get the glue gun. Just in case any of you do have a bust spring, thought it might be handy for you if I just measure this so you can see what it is that I'm taking out here, or what we're looking at. So this spring, its diameter is 6 millimeters. You might be able to see there, and its length is wait for it, is 11 millimeters. Yeah, 6 millimeters wide, 11 millimeters long, plus obviously the little kink there, which you should be able to see. My camera will focus. There you go, look, like that. And this end, I've had a proper look at it now off camera. It's just glued on the post. Ooh. I don't know whether this is an original Opus or whether it's a replica, but I bought them all off Amazon, so I'm guessing it's a copy. I can't imagine a manufacturer relying on a post with such a small amount of glue. It's just a tiny, tiny little dollop of white holding the whole structure together, because obviously this is under load. But anyway, Right, let's get it back in and get it glued up again. So just while the glue gun's been hitting up, I've realised that they're actually all loose. All 4 of them. This last one's got a bit of bite, but I think we're going to give them all a bit of a dollop of glue. So this is the only hard part, I guess. So I'm going to hold that in there. I'm not sure you guys can see this. Without burning my thumb, just a little bit of glue in there like that. Cool. That's 1. 2. I don't get too much on this device here, which I suspect is some kind of resistor used to discharge the batteries and dissipate the heat. I suspect. I might be wrong. I'm sure somebody out there will know what it is. It's got the number 150 on each one, so it's going to be possibly recognisable by somebody. And a little dollop of glue on there. Excuse me. Alrighty, let that dry for a second, and I'll just sort the legs out. Yes. Tidy that. Oh no, look! And plug the glue gun back in again. It's actually a little bit harder than you think because the glue hasn't stuck on 2 of them. Happy with that one, happy with that one. Let's just give these 2 another little blast. If we can. There we go. Now that should hold surely now. Right, we'll let that dry for a minute. That's version take 2. Look at that. Oh. Right, instead of trying to pull all the hairs away this time, all the little glue gun trails, I'm gonna try and snip them off. Oh, actually, no. Do you know what? That looks really good. I'm happy with that. I just don't want anything to get in the way of the springs. That one's good. That one's good. A little bit of glue trace on there. Look, you can see that on camera. Yeah. All in all, pretty happy with that. 1, 2, 3. Missed one. 4. Cool. Right, let's get the lid on. All right, the big test. 1, 2, 3, 4. And just for belts and braces to be absolutely sure. Lovely. 1 fixed Opus BT-C3100, 18650 and everything else. Charger. Result. So that's it, all fixed. I'm back up and running again. Just a quick one for everyone. Hopefully that'll help somebody out. See you later. Cheers. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.